Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to change your public Instagram account into a private Instagram account, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can change your public Instagram account into a private Instagram account very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application and then click on profile picture on the bottom right corner. After that, click on three horizontal lines on top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. After that, click on account privacy. Here you can make your public Instagram account into private account. So click on this button and click on switch to private. So guys, you can see our Instagram account has been switched to private account. So guys, in this way you can switch your public Instagram account into a private Instagram account very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.